Many people have concerns about safety, and fear is one of the big reasons why people don't pursue LASIK. So in addition to the exam, which makes sure you're a great candidate, and consistent repeated tests that ensure that things are stable, the technology itself has come leaps and bounds over the last 20 years, where we have things like trackers on the laser that sample a position of your eye 1,000 times a second. So if you were to look off suddenly during surgery, it'll pause and wait for you. It beats you to it. Those things ensure treatment goes in the right spot. One of the most important things to reduce the risk of complications in surgery really has very little to do with the surgical procedure itself, and it's much more about knowledge of the procedure and knowledge of the eye and the amount of detail that you put into your examination. So one of the things that we are really proud of is our advanced ocular analysis, where we do about a 14-step exam looking at everything from the tears at the front of the eye all the way to the retina at the back. A true complication, something significant, there's only a couple of those. One is infection, and with any surgery you always want to know what that rate is. Very low with LASIK, 1 in 10,000. The second thing in that category would be increased inflammation, and you maybe see that one in every few thousand cases, but you typically are able just to treat that by increasing some of your drops after surgery. Typically, side effects will be at a little bit different categories. So there are known things that could potentially occur either because of your natural anatomy and the way that it interacts with lasers, or from the process of actually changing the shape. And so these are things that we know will last for a short duration of time after surgery normally. Those are things like halo, glare, starburst, or dryness. And typically by 3 months out, those things are resolved. So LASIK is absolutely safe, as we've looked at 35 million people that have had surgery over the last 20 plus years. Especially with the modern advancements in technology, we're able to hit targets at a tremendously high level, and it comes without much risk at all, which is fantastic.